Okay guys, real quick, 2018 BMW 750i, and this is a G11, G12 chassis, whatever. Windshield, washer, reservoir, and pump. So the pump doesn't work. How to replace that? Real quick, you're gonna have to take the wheel off. You do not need this vehicle in service mode for only one wheel. Jack it up, take the wheel so you can have enough room. First, you come over here and get this thing out of the game. Put it on the side. I already pulled these screws up, pop them up, and then the whole thing comes out. This whole thing needs to slide out. Here's the tricky part. You kind of have to wiggle it around to go out. Let's see. Try not to scratch anything. Hold on, let me put the phone on the side real quick. Okay. Once you get this thing off, you put it on the side. This thing comes out. This thing slides in the reservoir right there with these things. Got clips. That's where it goes. Put it on the side. You gotta take the wheel off, of course. You gotta take the inner fender out. There's like 8mm screws, 3 or 4 on the bottom, all the way around here. I took the whole way. You can take the halfway out. You gotta take this little vent right here. It has 2 push pins in, and then you have this bolt right here. Take that one out real quick. So I already drained the washer fluid, and you see this thing here. The pump is on the inside, the lower one. The middle one, the higher one is for the headlights washer, and the middle one is the sensor, I think, and the lower one is for the windshield washer fluid pump. This thing, you get this thing out, and you slightly kind of lower it down, and then lift. It comes out, and once it comes out, you have access to the pump. That's the pump right there. The lower one is the sensor. It should be higher one if the car has a headlight washing system. So if it doesn't, that's how it is. Unplug the connector right here and replace the pump. Pretty much that's it, and put everything in reverse order.